Kaya mo bang mag-show up, kapatid? Kahit pagkatapos ng prayer mo, walang nagbago? Can you still be present when nothing is changing? Can you still be present when things are not going our way? Mananalangin pa rin ba tayo? Mananampalataya pa rin ba tayo? Magbabasa ka pa rin ba ng Bible? A-attend ka pa rin ba ng church? Maniniwala pa rin po ba tayo sa ating Panginoon? Let me tell you this. Kapag ginawa mo ang mga bagay na ito, you are not wasting your time, but you are bringing the walls down. Kapag nakikita natin that the world is going upside down, hindi umaayon sa gusto mo, nahihirapan ka, do not just feed it with your emotion. Amen? But instead, focus on your mission.